How to turn off haptic feedback in MEXC application using your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you're trying to stop that small vibration when you tap buttons or confirm actions on MEXC app, here's how you can disable it in seconds. First of all, launch open the MEXC application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're signed into the home page of MEXC, go to the upper left corner and tap on the human icon. Once you do that, you'll come across this page where you'll need to click on Settings at the bottom. Under Settings, tap on Haptic Feedback. You'll then be able to see these options on the page. Go ahead and turn off any haptic feedback you want to disable. For example, if you want to turn off haptic feedback on Spot, toggle off the button right next to Spot, and if you want to turn off the haptic feedback in Futures, toggle off the button right next to Futures. Just go ahead and turn off the options that you don't want haptic feedback for on the MEXC app and you are done. That is how you disable haptic feedback on MEXC application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.